Look here, 5 income streams with a lot of other features. Let me show you that now. First of all, if you go into here and you click on links, they call them links, but they're capture pages, but you need the link to get to each capture page. And there's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. So go back into the system again and you look at the training. You get all the training you get with this. First of all, you get weekly training, then you get marketing system training. Now, this is really something. I mean, this helps you become a better marketer. And look at all the information you got here. And you don't have to do this all at once. You can do 1 or 2 a day, whatever you got time for, and then you come back and do another one. And eventually you'll get them all done. So it's at your own pace. And you go back into the system again, and then you got the 7-step training. Now this is if you decide to go with you should do this training before you get started because it shows you how to do everything. First of all, it says work on yourself here, which means works on your personality. Then step 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Step 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Step 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. And step 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And step 6 shows you how to block some time to do this. Now, you don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. And then when you go in there, there's some more small bonuses there you can take a look at when you go back in there. Then you exit the training. And if you go there, you click on there, you'll see all your teams. And if you click on leads, once you start advertising, it'll show you all the leads you get, and you get an email with each lead. So you have all the information right there to do your follow-up. Then there, if you click, you want to see who's on the leaderboard. And then if you go to resources, if it opens up, and it shows you all the sample emails you can use to do your follow-up. You can use these or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you. But they give you samples here to make it a little easier for you. Then you go back into resources again and you look at now look at all the banners you can use to do your advertising. There's lots of them. You can use one or more depending where you're sending them to. So there's lots of them in here. It's your choice. And you go back into the system again. And it shows you your social image that you can use for your social advertising. So there's a lot of stuff in here to help you do your marketing. Then you go into, and that shows you all your businesses. Then you got a bonus. I'll show you that later if I don't forget. Okay, now let's say that you like this and you'd like to get started. Well, you go here and you click on this, and Matt will do the 45-minute video to show you what it's all about and just explain the whole system to you. And I'll put the link under so you can watch him do that. And with that same link, you can also join if you decide to do that. And I'll also put my contact information under there if you want to call me or contact me to get more information. And you go back into the system again. And then that's what step 1. And step 2 and because this has step 1 and step 4 are part of the system. Step 2 and 3, you can put in your own opportunities if you have any. And if you don't have any, take a look at the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10. So be sure to take a look at that when you're in there. And step 4 is the back office, plus also traffic authority, where you can get great leads. They've been in business for over 10 years. Oh, and I forgot to mention, Funnel has been in business for over 4 years, so these are both legit opportunities. Okay, and then I'll tell you about my bonus so I don't forget. And here's another place I get leads. For $1 a day, I get 100 leads. So every 24 hours, I get 100 leads. And at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a small commission and you also get another 100 leads. So you could end up having 6,000 leads by the end of the month. And you also email them with this every day. So this is a great system for that money. Okay, now what else did I want to tell you? Did I? Oh, I guess I never told you the cost of multiple funnels. So if you want to decide to go with this one right now, they have a special on. It's usually $97. Right now they have a special on for $49. And they also have an optional yearly plan for another $300. And then you don't have to worry about anything for a year. And you also make a $200 commission if you get somebody in with that. So that's worthwhile. And I guess, I don't know what else I should tell you here today. I think it seems like I'm not telling you something. Anyway, I'll stop for now and thank you for listening. And we'll catch it next week if I miss some today.